I think we had okay first quarter, and then second quarter we kind of built into it, but then they got some goals. I think we really came back in the second half, but overall pretty disappointing. I mean, we started okay, but just definitely keep that momentum, and like our last quarter should have been our whole game.
Well, in the last quarter we changed our press to man. Shadow was able to play because we're playing spine up the whole time, and like it's working really well. And we got really tired towards the end as well. They were good, scoring some goals, and like yesterday scored one. But yeah, it's happy to be in the final.